How to fix waiting for a message on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guy Bimo. In today's video I will simply show you how you can fix if WhatsApp says waiting for a message. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Sometimes what happens is that whenever you open up WhatsApp and then somebody sends you a message, but then it simply says waiting for a message, you're not being able to receive that particular message. There are one of these two reasons which I will tell you in this video why this will happen in the first place. The very first reason is, let's say that somebody sent you a message. So let's say I simply sent a message to somebody very quickly, and before the message has even been sent, I simply turned off my internet connection. So basically sometimes it's not sent to the other person, but it is already getting notified to them that they are going to receive a message. So sometimes when your device is not connected to the other person, it would simply say waiting for a message. So in order to fix this, if you have been receiving this kind of error, you have to simply tell the other person to connect to internet, because their device is likely out of range and you're not simply being able to actually receive that message. The other is, however, let's say currently you can see I'm logged in on my phone and I want to log into my desktop, and when I log into my desktop I just receive a new message, but the WhatsApp over here I don't have access to this. Let's say this phone is actually turned off, but my WhatsApp is also logged in on my desktop. Now whenever I receive a message, sometimes it will also say waiting for a message, because that is not my primary device, because my primary device is this phone right over here, and that could be the secondary reasons why. So basically I told you two things. One is if you're logged in on multiple devices, the other is if one of you two do not have access to internet. So you have to simply wait until you actually connect to the internet and the message is going to be delivered automatically. And hopefully one of these would have helped solve a problem. If it did help solve the issue, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comments section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.